1, we have the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air is the latest successful drone in the Mavic series that packs a reasonable price, which is fully justified with the performance it delivers, so let's get quickly into action in order to understand why is the Mavic Air a must-have. From a design perspective, the Mavic Air is available in 3 colors such as black, Arctic white, and flame red, but regardless of your decision, all 3 of them look exceptionally good. The drone's construction is aerodynamic, while the magnesium alloy brackets are there to reinforce the 7 onboard cameras and secure them from anything that could appear in their way. In addition, there are 4 rotors attached on the top and bottom part of the body, while at the back, there is a battery compartment, so, when you see the drone as a whole, it looks indeed wonderful. In terms of connectivities, this drone has a USB-C port for content transfer and a micro SD card slot, of which you can take an advantage if you think that the 8 GB of onboard storage is too little for you. However, I would like to inform you that the USB-C port won't charge your battery, so you would have to use the included charger. But now, let's talk about the performance. The Mavic Air integrates a GPS and GLONASS satellite positioning as well as many flight modes that can definitely elevate your user experience to a whole new level. Or even better said, the Smart Capture will make the drone move according to your palm's waves, while the Active Track can detect up to 16 objects that you've had previously selected and record them without any problem. Moreover, it has a 32-megapixel camera that can capture in horizontal, vertical and sphere panoramas in 180 degrees, and capture up to 25 photos in only 8 seconds. But that's not all. The Air can even shoot videos in 4K at 30 FPS, so I have to admit that DJI has done a really good job here. The battery life is estimated to last around 21 minutes, but in practice, it ranges between 16 to 18 minutes, which is still great. Overall, the Mavic Air would be a top addition for every drone enthusiast who looks for a compact and powerful drone.
Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse, and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story Mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.